Hi, Bill Bodner here, Chief Market Analyst of the Mortgage Market Guide. So we have the 10-year note up here, have this yellow horizontal line, which is really kind of showing what support has been. And you'll notice to the right side of the chart, we're watching the 10-year note sit right at support, right at that 282 level. And you can see we've only closed 1 day beneath 282 going back to April. So this is a pretty interesting spot that we're in right now. I think from a technical aspect, your takeaway and what you should be sharing with clients, we're seeing the emergence of what they call a doji star. You can see this little candle where there's a little tiny horizontal slit and long upper and lower wicks. That shows us that the bond is indecisive in its next move. And with psychology, when you're seeing a rally, right, yields are getting better and better and better, and all of a sudden you get this little candle where the market is undecided with what it wants to do next. This is the time to take your chips off the table. If this were a stock, you would absolutely be buying it because we'd be looking at bouncing off of support and moving higher. But as a mortgage originator, this is a time to maybe lock some clients, not just the ones within 30 days, but potentially others. It doesn't mean that rates are going to shoot straight up, but if you look at the last time this took place, very similarly, we had a downtrend in yield. We moved a little bit sideways. We had the emergence of this doji, the same type of piercing pattern here beneath support, and then rates went sideways for a little bit, and then boom, they shot higher. History, doesn't always repeat itself, but there are definitely similarities, and it would not surprise me at all to see over the next couple days rates maybe move sideways, and maybe that event with the Fed really decide where things go. Do we move below this level, which would really usher in another leg lower in rates, or do we move higher from here? It's going to be an interesting couple of days, but I would absolutely start thinking about getting clients, anybody that you have in your pipeline, put them in a position to lock here quickly, because after a nice rally like this, we're definitely in a position where things are going to change here quickly. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.